of u. So today we will solve some numericals based on reflection. So first question is, if angle between incident ray and reflected ray is 160, then what is angle of incidence? You can try it yourself, pause the video and you can try by yourself and then you can check the answer. So we can draw a plane mirror. This one is normal line. Now angle of incidence. So this is incident ray. This will be reflected ray, incidence ray, reflected ray. Angle between incident ray and reflected ray is 160. So total angle is 160. Now we know that I is equal to R, law of reflection. So we can say from this, as it is given I plus R 160, and as I is equal to R, so we can write 2I is equal to 160. So instead of R we can write I. So I plus I, 2I is equal to 160, and I will be 80. Second question is, if reflected ray is normal to surface, then what is angle of incidence? Okay, so now we know that angle I is equal to angle R, that is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, now as reflected ray is normal to the surface, so if we draw a mirror like this, this is the normal line. Now reflected ray is normal to the surface, so reflected ray is also along this line. It means angle of reflection is 0. So angle of incidence will be also 0 degree. Okay, it means incident ray will be also normal to the surface and angle of incidence will be 0 degree. Okay. Now one third question is, if angle of incidence is 90, then in which direction reflected ray will move? If angle of incidence is 90, then in which direction reflected ray will move? Okay, so we can say that, suppose let it be the mirror, normal line. Now if angle of incidence is 90, it means ray will move parallel to the surface like this. So reflected ray will move also like this. Actually reflection will not take place, but according to the law of reflection, angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. So we can say reflected ray will move parallel to incident ray or parallel to the surface. Okay. Next question is a sum, that is a convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of 3 meter. If bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. So radius of curvature is R, as it is convex mirror. So R will be plus 3, that you should know. So plus 3 meter. Bus is located at 5 meters. So object distance, this will be object distance. Find nature, position, size of image. Okay, so these things we need to find. So given is R plus 3 meter, object distance is denoted by U minus 5 meter, and V we need to find. Along with V, H also we need to find. That is size of image, H dash, or you can say HI. So formula used will be 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So in that we need F. So instead from R we can find F first. Okay, so this formula we have to use, but for using this formula we should have F. So f is equal to r by 2. So that will be 3 by 2, it will be 1.5. That value we can substitute in this equation and we will get further like this. Okay, so you can solve it by yourself. So putting value of f as 1.5, u 1 minus 5, and then you can take LCM like this. So finally you will get like this. This will be 1 by v. Okay, now we have to find v from it, so it will be inverse of that. So 7.5 divided by 6.5, that will be 1.15. So this is the position of image from the mirror. Okay, we can check it, it will be positive because in convex mirror always image formed will be virtual, so it will be behind the mirror, so it should come positive. Ready? Now for size and nature. So nature we can tell from this only, as v is positive, so image formed will be virtual, that will be the nature of the image. But from the size we can say whether it is diminished or not. So now we will find the size of the image. Now as object size is not given in the question, so image size we can find in terms of object size. Okay, that you need to remember. So magnification is h dash by h, or we can say minus v by u. So from this h dash by h, that is equal to minus v by u, so we can get minus 1.15, that is v, and u is minus 5. So minus sign of formula, v is plus 1.15 and u we have to take negative minus 5. So final result is 0.23. Now from this we can compare h dash will be equal to 0.23 times h. Okay, it means size of image will be 0.23 times that of object. So size is diminished. So in nature of the image we can write it is virtual image and diminished one. Okay, and size of image we can write size of image is 0.23 times that of object. Okay, so like this we can write. And position is 1.15 behind the mirror. Now next sum. So an object 4 centimeter in size. So this is h, placed 25 centimeter in front of mirror, concave mirror. So u, f. So at what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed so that we can get sharp image? It means we can find v. That is image distance we need to find. Find the nature and size of the image, as we have done in previous sum, same we have to do in this also. H dash we have to find, v we have to find, and from that we can say the nature of the image. Okay, so first we need to write given data. As concave mirror is there, focal length will be negative, object distance will be always negative, height of object always positive. So for v and h dash we need to find. So v and h dash we need to find. So again same formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Then replace f u by minus 15 minus 25. From this take LCM and you can find v. So v will be 75 by 2. That you can do calculation, you can try by yourself. Okay, so we will get minus 75 by 2, that will be minus 37.5 centimeter. So as v is negative, we can say image is real image. Okay, now from the height means size of the image, we have to take formula of magnification here. So again same formula, h dash by h is equal to minus v by u is equal to m. So hi either you can write or h dash you can write. So h dash we want to find, hi we want to find, h is 4, v is minus 37.5, u is minus 25. So solving this we will get h dash is equal to minus 6 centimeter. Okay, now we can compare height of object with height of image. So size of image is more, 6, and size of object was 4. Okay, so we can write that image formed will be virtual, erect and real inverted and magnified. Okay, magnified image will be formed in this case. Position will be 37.5 in front of mirror. Image will be formed 37.5 centimeter in front of mirror, and size of image will be 6 centimeter, and it as negative sign is there, so inverted. Okay, so this we can write from the answers that we have obtained. So we will keep till this in this video.